Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. I'm excited for all my videos, but today specifically, y'all, I am about to be in my creative bag. As you can see, I got some tools here, and the reason why I have these things here is because we're gonna do a little DIY project, okay? I have been wanting to do something like this for the longest time, and something in me was just like, just do it. Like, what we waiting on? So y'all, I'm about to create for the first time ever my own furniture. And I was so excited because ever since I moved into my house, like, I really wanted to do something like this. And so now we are about to get it done. So I'm about to create my own console table, okay? I'm gonna first put up an inspo photo of what it is that I'm looking for. I came across this probably on Pinterest, and I was like, oh, this is cute. I went to the website to see the price. This was almost $1,200. $1,200 console table. No ma'am. No ma'am, no thank you. That's completely unnecessary. I'm not doing that. And when I looked at it, I was like, you know what? What if I just made it myself? Like, what if I just made this myself for a fraction of the cost of how much it was to purchase it from the store? So that's what we about to do today, okay? Now, disclaimer, I have no idea what I'm doing. But, you know, we just about to vibe out. We about to vibe out and see what happens. So I want to go over the tools that I have today. It looks a little skimp. I may need more, but listen, we're going to figure it out, okay? So the first thing I have, so first of all, what I'm going to start with is the legs. I'm making these legs out of these Ikea bowls. So I know you all, well, maybe you haven't seen it, but I've seen it, okay? These bowls have been trending. And all the girlies are buying these bowls to make coffee tables. And so to me, what I like about this bowl is, so this is, first of all, it's 11 inches. The diameter is 11 inches. So it's pretty big. And this is bamboo. So it's pretty sturdy. It's pretty thick, and it gives that wood texture. I tried to look for dupes. And so this is why. These bowls are $24. $24 for one bowl. That's kind of expensive. I'm not gonna hold you. And to make the vision that I had in my mind come to life, I needed 12 of these bowls, okay? So 12 times 24, you do the math, okay? This is a little pricey just for some bowls, just to make the legs of this, but you know what? Like, that's really the coffee table. The price of the coffee table is these bowls, but it's okay. So this is what I have. The Ikea bowls is what we're gonna be using. I have 12 of the bowls. I picked up some Gorilla wood filler is what we're gonna use. I then have some heavy duty construction adhesive so that we can glue this wood together, and then also glue it to the tabletop that I have. I also have, what is this? A sanding kit. I think I'm gonna use this to sand when I put the wood filler in it. I'm gonna use this to sand down the wood filler. I have some gloves because I assume that this is gonna be messy at some point, so I'm not trying to mess up my nails, you see what I'm saying? And then what I don't have here, which I'll bring out a little later, is paint. So I'm actually gonna paint my coffee table. I want my console table to be black, so I'm gonna paint it black, which I have, and I'll pull it out later. We don't need it right now. So let's go ahead and get into the video. But I get tired of running. Fuck it, now I'm running with you. So boy, I'm trying to meet your mama on a Sunday. To make a lot of love on Monday. I need no one else, babe. 'Cause I'll be such a number. Okay, y'all, so step one is to actually glue the bowls together in whatever design you want. So I'm making my console table look a little bit different than the inspo. Because of the height of the console table, I needed to use more than just 2 circular bowls for the legs. In the inspo, I'm actually using 3, so I'm adding additional ones. So there's 6 bowls per leg, okay? As you can see though, this glue was giving me a run for my money. Like, it was so hard to squeeze it out of the tube, and I was like, there has to be an easier way So yes, I in the beginning I did say my tools look a little skimp, and I realized that I was completely missing a tool. So I ended up pausing this to go to Walmart to go find me the right tool, and I was successful. I got the last one. So this is actually a caulk gun. So this helps to squeeze out the glue because it is so hard. Now that I have the right tools, you guys can see how easy it is. It was so much easier to glue this together. It took so much less time. And then the next step is, after the glue is all dry, to use the wood filler. And the purpose of the wood filler is to help minimize the seams when I go to paint it. All right, y'all, so here's the progress. I have officially put wood filler in all 4 of the pieces that I have so far. Remember, I only have 2 legs. This is a console table, but to me it's just easier to work it in pieces, and then I'm gonna connect them a little bit later. So what I'm about to do is, I have this, and all of my materials I actually got from Walmart. So I have this handy sandy kit, and it comes with a little handle. So I'm about to open this and just sand it down. We're about to go ahead and do that right now. I am going to, and again, I have no idea what I'm doing, but this was Velcro, so it looks like I'm just gonna make this one smooth surface. All right, so the next step after everything is all sanded down, I've decided to glue the legs together fully before I start to paint, because I did not want to risk getting glue on the paint job that I did. So that's what you see me doing here. So after we prep the legs, then we're gonna go ahead and get into the paint. Okay, everyone, we are back. So my legs look so good. They're dry completely. They just look so good. Yeah. Okay, I did that. Okay. They look so good. So this is the tabletop that I got. So you guys, work smarter, not harder. So this came from Ikea. I actually purchased a TV stand unit. The unit was $49, and it was actually a 2-tiered unit. So actually, for the price of $49, I got 2 of these. for the price of one. So now I'm thinking like, if I wanted to make another one, do something a little bit different with the legs. I even, as I was trying to figure out like how I wanted to do the legs, I kind of tested it lower and I was like, oh, I could make like a matching bench with this. Like the ideas are flowing, okay? The ideas are flowing, and I'm just like so excited. So the last step is just to glue the legs to the top here. So let's go ahead and finish this out.
To be true, but I get tired of running. Fuck it, now I'm running with you, So boy, I'm trying to meet your mama on Sunday. The nigga I love on Monday. I need no one else, babe, 'cause I'll be such an obsession for you.
Alright y'all, here is the final product. I love the way it came out, y'all, but like take a look. Check me out, check me out. I'm so excited. Like this came out so good. This was such an easy project to do, and it has me so excited because now I'm like, well, what other furniture can I make now? Like I'm super excited, y'all. Yes, 10 out of 10 recommend trying this project if this style interests you. And stay tuned, I'm gonna be back with more DIY furniture projects. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.